Are you feeling good today? Well, it's Friday, and there is no better time than the present to put on some feel good tunes to boost your mood. You know, they say feel good Friday. So I said, you know what? It's that time of year. People are tired. They're running back and forth and doing things. They have worked almost 12 full months and people are tired. But you know what? Now is the best time to start taking advantage of some good music to help you feel better. Now, my name is Cece Cheney. Thanks so much for tuning in today. And I love me some Fridays because one of my rituals is to get up and actually dance and celebrate my wins for the week. And this is something that I do every Friday. And if I'm being honest, I'm doing a lot more of it a lot more days of the week too, because it's so powerful. Because here's the reality. When you've got goals in life and business, even if you don't have goals, right? You're on a journey. And how you feel about your life, how you feel about the journey that you're on, you actually can have some control over by taking some time to celebrate your wins, whether they are big or small. So with that said, before I dig into these tunes, before I dig into these songs that you should totally turn on this morning, I want to know what it is that you are celebrating for this week. Big or small, what has it been that has you thinking, you know what, I can celebrate that. I can be grateful for that thing that happened. Let me know, okay? So let's go ahead and dig in to this list, most of which I've already listened to today. Now, if you know me at all, you probably know who the first artist I will be saying is, because I just love her so darn much. And that is none other than the queen bee herself, Beyonce. Now, what song specifically? Because I love all her jams. But when I am wanting to feel super good and I want a mood boost, I'm turning on Love on Top. That is one of my favorite jams. I do not have the best vocals. I do not have great pipes, but let me tell you, as she's going up in those octaves, so am I. And it is just such a fun song, and I absolutely love it. And if you've not heard it, you need to. And if you have not listened to something positive today, this is a really great one to get started with. Number 2 is Thunder by Imagine Dragons, which I literally only heard a couple of months back when I was in an event, and I heard it so many times that I just fell in love with it. If you're somebody who's on a journey and you're working towards something and you want to bring that thunder at some point in your life, you want to turn this one on, pump it up, and play it. I actually listen to this one almost every day because it just gets me the energy of success. And here's the thing, I'm bringing that thunder, right? So I love it. And if you haven't heard it, totally tune in. Now, number 3 is none other than my male Beyonce. Now, when he first came out, like, he was just absolutely everything to me. But I absolutely love this song where he's featured on, and that is Uptown Funk by Mark Ronson and my fave, Bruno Mars. And I just absolutely love this song. I don't think you can hear Uptown Funk and not just like start bopping your head, right? It's like such a good feel-good song that will just make your day better, right? Now, as if those 3 aren't good enough, number 4 will put a smile on your face. It will help you feel happier. And that is none other than Pharrell's hit, Happy. Love this song. It is such a jam. And if you are feeling a little bit down, you want to turn Happy up because it will turn that frown all the way upside down and help you feel so much better. Number 5 is none other than Justin Timberlake's Can't Stop the Feeling. And I am totally going to confess here, I don't listen to a lot of Justin Timberlake's music. And I hadn't even heard the song until I went to an event. And I was like, whoa, can't stop that feeling, huh? And I really love it. It's such a fun song and such a positive, upbeat song. I know sometimes music can take you in lots of places and get lots of emotion going, but these 5 songs are really some good tunes that can help you start to feel good or feel better, no matter where you are in life, no matter where you are in your goals, no matter where you're at, okay? So, again, those are Love on Top by Beyonce, Thunder by Imagine Dragons, Uptown Funk by Mark Ronson featuring Bruno Mars, Happy by Pharrell, and Can't Stop the Feeling by Justin Timberlake. Now, I would love to know what songs you love that help you shift your mood or help you celebrate. So drop those below. Let me know, Cece, these are the songs you need to be listening to. You can add to your rotation or that have helped me in some way. I want to know. I want to expand my list. So drop those down below, and I want to wish you the happiest Friday, my friend. Chat soon. Ciao.